The potential of AI is apparent, from automated factories revolutionizing manufacturing to AI systems trouncing world champions in challenging games. However, as AI develops, serious concerns about how it will affect society, human agency, and the fundamental nature of our existence are raised. In this video, we examine the viewpoints of Max Tegmark, a co-founder of the Future of Life Institute and professor at MIT, as he discusses his book Life 3.0 and its examination of the complex interaction between people and AI. The heart and soul of Life 3.0. The central theme of Tegmark's book, Life 3.0, is an insightful analysis of the effects of artificial intelligence, AI, surpassing that of humans. Tegmark encourages readers to participate in an important discussion on the future, in a world where AI may be able to perform nearly all tasks better than we can. He emphasizes the importance of addressing important issues, such as the coming of superhuman AI, human survival in a society ruled by AI, and the principles we wish to uphold as we forge ahead. The importance of solving AI problems. Tegmark's work identifies 5 key issues that need to be resolved as AI develops. The loss of individual agency brought on by AI's autonomy. The inherent dangers posed by surveillance and data systems. The potential escalation of economic inequality through widespread job displacement. The cognitive and social consequences of an excessive reliance on AI, and the vulnerabilities exposed by cyber threats. To achieve a peaceful coexistence between AI and humanity, a complicated web of difficulties must be dismantled. AI in the light of physics. Tegmark examines the AI discussion from a unique angle as a physicist. By highlighting the fact that intelligence is ultimately a byproduct of information processing, a concept shared by both people and computers, he dispels the myth that there is some supernatural secret sauce attributed to human intellect. Tegmark describes how scientists have surmounted seemingly insurmountable challenges by drawing comparisons to historical events. He emphasizes that we should approach AI with proactive planning and ethical considerations, unlike previous technologies, to avoid the problems of unchecked competition and power struggles. Learning from history. Tegmark's recommendation for proactive planning is a result of the past human adaptation to potent technologies. He emphasizes that AI's revolutionary potential demands prediction and preparation to handle its hurdles efficiently by drawing comparisons to the emergence of fire and vehicles. Tegmark advises us to take action in the present to shape the AI future we want rather than relying on the past. The promise of automation. Job automation is one of the main issues with AI. According to Tegmark, increasing automation might either result in a vision of shared prosperity or widen existing economic gaps. He suggests that European nations with a long history of social welfare programs serve as a model for how to distribute the riches created by technology. He also explores the issue of how society might rediscover meaning and purpose in a time when conventional employment are no longer necessary. Unveiling media misrepresentation. Tegmark criticizes the media's treatment of AI, which frequently exaggerates stories that incite anxiety. He observes that Hollywood frequently emphasizes the wrong problems when portraying AI, such as hostile AI turning against humans. Tegmark emphasizes that the actual difficulty with AI is its competency and capacity to attain goals that are at odds with human values, rather than focusing on the physical characteristics of AI. Transforming AI discourse. Tegmark is aware of the need to change the dysfunctional and divisive conversation surrounding AI into one that is positive and productive. He talks on how the Future of Life Institute's conferences provide a secure environment for serious AI researchers to have substantive conversations devoid of sensationalism. This cooperative strategy pushes researchers to tackle actual problems and strive towards workable solutions, improving our understanding of the possibilities and difficulties of AI. The search for AI consciousness. Philosophical questions are raised when the consciousness of AI is discussed. Tegmark presents an original viewpoint based on physics. He investigates the potential for understanding consciousness by putting theories to the test on data from human brains, putting forth the idea that AI can benefit from the same concepts. He thinks that through conducting empirical research, we can finally grasp consciousness and use this knowledge to the development of artificial intelligence. The effects of AI on commercial interests and human needs. At the center of talks is the question of whether improvements in AI will primarily serve human needs or serve business interests. The viewpoint of Douglas Rushkoff, which emphasizes the likelihood that AI will primarily serve market requirements, poses legitimate issues. Rushkoff argues that the focus on exploiting people's value and shaping behavior for consumption may obscure AI's ability to actually advance human welfare. This focus on business may lead to the development of AI systems that prioritize financial gain over the requirements of the whole person. Trust and privacy erosion. The emergence of AI technology has brought with it previously unheard of privacy and trust concerns. In this perspective, Annalee Killian's observation regarding the application of emotional analytics and image modification technology is relevant. Societies may become less trustworthy and less honest as a result of manipulative behaviors that profit from taking advantage of people's behavior. This worry is increasingly acute when technology becomes more available and affordable to a small number of people who could utilize it to gain power and prosper at the expense of the general community. Since AI-driven systems are capable of collecting and analyzing enormous volumes of personal data, their surveillance capabilities also give rise to privacy concerns. One of the most urgent worries about the development of AI is how it will affect inequality and job displacement. Colin Baker's understanding of how AI can increase current gaps highlights how critical it is to address these problems. Although AI has the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare and education, its advantages could not be shared equally. Increased economic inequality may result from the worry that automation would eliminate jobs and from the concentration of AI's advantages in the hands of a select few. It is essential to make sure that everyone can benefit from AI's ability to improve quality of life rather than just a wealthy minority. Ethical considerations and prejudices are also brought up by the use of AI in decision-making processes. These issues include biases and unexpected consequences. The cautionary tale from Brian Harvey regarding the adage "garbage in, garbage out" serves as a timely reminder that biases present in training data might be perpetuated by AI systems. When AI is used to important fields like criminal justice, this problem becomes especially troublesome because biased conclusions may lead to unfair results. Unintended consequences could result from the interaction of numerous factors, which is made more difficult by the complexity of AI systems. Strong regulatory frameworks are required because of ethical concerns about how AI will affect people's rights and social fairness. Lack of democratic control. A common subject in debates of AI is the concentration of power among large tech companies. The possibility for AI technology to be centralized under the control of a small group, which might result in spying and manipulation, worries experts. The warnings of Vian Bakir regarding the abuse of AI by political figures and government organizations highlight how crucial it is to protect democratic ideals. Strong governance systems and open scrutiny are essential to preventing AI from being used as a tool for authoritarian rule. Loss of individual autonomy. There is a real risk of diminishing individual autonomy as AI enters various facets of society. An important worry is the focus Tom Slee places on AI-driven judgments demanding massive data collection. The pursuit of efficiency and optimization might lead to ongoing monitoring and data gathering, which would impair people's capacity for autonomy. Finding a balance between using AI's capabilities and preserving individual autonomy is a difficult task that needs careful thought. The CEO and Chief Regulator of Vanuatu's Telecommunications and Radio Communications Regulator, Dulcie Green-Banyala, brings up a crucial topic that is sometimes missed in talks on AI: its contextual significance. He emphasizes that applying programs created for the developed world to places with particular challenges, such as small islands separated by great distances of ocean, may not necessarily produce correct results or satisfy specific needs. This emphasizes how crucial it is to adapt AI solutions to local conditions in order to ensure their efficacy and beneficial impact. While gaining trustworthiness and empowering individuals is crucial, Michael Lenars, Director of Strategy at NLNet Foundation, highlights a challenging concern. While the quest of trust in AI is necessary, doing so comes first. Lenars draws attention to a change in the way technology is governed, where AI might get underground and beyond local control, setting up a situation in which corporate ethics and commercial considerations could take precedence over societal well-being and human potential. The balance between personal autonomy and outside control may be tipped towards less open and more manipulative digital spaces as a result. Max Tegmark's views remind us of the value of proactive planning, ethical thinking, and collaborative debate as AI continues to transform our environment. Life 3.0 is a call to action, pushing us to have important discussions and choosing our actions wisely on AI's place in our lives. Although AI has enormous potential to improve society, it also has problems that require our attention. We can harness the revolutionary power of AI to build a future that benefits all of humankind with vision and careful planning. How can we ensure a peaceful coexistence between AI and humanity? Share your thoughts in the comment section.